Stainless steel sinks are virtually carefree, but it's important to know how to properly clean and maintain them. We recommend that you clean your sink after every use with a dry, clean cloth. This will inhibit water spotting. To protect your sink, avoid cleaners like bleach, scrub pads, and steel wool, which can dull or scratch the surface. You can use mild non-abrasive cleaners like Bonami, Gordon's Miracle Shine, Zud, Soft Scrub, or Barkeeper's Friend, which can be found in any hardware or grocery store. Using grids that are especially made for your sink can also protect the finish. Stainless steel is a material that does scratch over time with use. That's just part of its nature. The scratches become part of the patina of the sink. To minimize the appearance of scratches, take the soft side of a sponge, wet it thoroughly, and apply a mild cleanser like Barkeeper's Friend to make a paste. Rub with the grain of the sink and cover the entire surface of the sink to blend the scratch into the patina. Going against the grain could ruin the finish of your sink. Rinse thoroughly after cleaning. Multicolored stains or residue on a sink are most commonly traced to minerals contained in your water or by salts from water softeners. In most cases, you can easily remove with a cleanser like Barkeeper's Friend. Rinse well and dry the sink to see what happens. Stainless steel sinks don't rust, but may appear to. Rust marks may be traced to one of three sources: steel wool pads used for cleaning, tin-coated steel cans or cast iron pans left in the sink while wet, or iron deposits that are found in water. The rust stains are not part of the stainless steel, they are simple deposits on the surface of the sink. Scrubbing the stains along the grain of the sink will almost immediately solve the problem. For more information on how to care for stainless steel, please visit BlancoAmerica.com.